Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Katie and this is Hollywood. Say hi, Holly. Oh my goodness. So tonight is New Year's Eve, and tonight we are going to drive for Uber, and we're going to see if in fact New Year's Eve is the best night to drive for Uber. Supposedly you could make a whole shit ton of money on New Year's Eve. So let's see if that's true, and hopefully no one will vomit in my car. Here's hoping. Okay, I'm gonna go set up the car and we're gonna wait and see how long it takes for us to get our first ride. Hi there, it's me. So I had a very rough start. I could not get my Uber app to work. The Uber driving app was out of commission for like hours. I called up their customer service. So what I'm saying here is at this point, we're just using the Lyft app. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, I've been doing Lyft. I finally got the Uber app to start, which was a whole big thing. That's a whole nother thing I'll have to tell you about when I stop for a little while, take a break. But so it's 11:20 and I have only made $46 so far. So don't believe the hype. I have another Lyft ride going on right now, so I'm gonna go pick up my passenger and I will be back to let you know what's going on. But we got another 40 minutes until New Year's Eve. So let's see how it goes. So, okay, so I got this ride to pick somebody up at the casino, at the River Casino, and I'm here. And so he informs me about 5 minutes ago that his wife ordered food, and now I'm waiting for her order to come through. I mean, it's like 20 minutes till New Year's Eve, and I'm gonna end up sitting here for God knows how long, waiting for the food to come. Yep. Why did you order your ride if you were waiting on food? So that's life for you. That's gonna take time away, and time is money when you're doing these rides, especially on New Year's Eve. So as you know, we're not making so much money, are we? So I think I'm at 50 bucks so far, and this ride that I'm waiting on is only a 15-minute ride, and I will be waiting a half hour for a 15-minute ride now. And a lot of hype about driving on New Year's Eve, isn't there? Like I said, I'm waiting for a ride now who ordered food. I'm at the casino. I've been waiting already about, it's got to be at least 10 minutes now. And they ordered food, so I'll still be sitting here for quite some time, I'm sure. And then it's a 15-minute ride, and then it'll be New Year's Eve, and then who knows what's gonna happen from there. But so far it's only been like 50 bucks, so it's not so good. Not so great. Don't believe the hype. Yes. And really disappointed in the Uber app not working. But it's a good thing Lyft worked for me. So it works now, but it kind of ruined, I mean, it took so much time. All right. People are, I should just go to the casino. Play some poker. Yeah. All right. Okay, so it's 1 o'clock in the morning, and so far I'm at $109. 1 o'clock in the morning. So most of the bars in St. Louis close at 1 for like the upscale bar restaurants, 1 o'clock, and then there are areas where it's just like drinking bars, party bars, and those are open till 3 o'clock. So I'll probably drive until then. And so far 109, and I will see you soon. I have to get gas. That's why I stopped. And after we get some gas, I'll go back on and see what happens for the next 2 hours. Wish me luck. No pukers yet, thank God. Alrighty, so it's the end of the night. I stopped driving at like 3 in the morning. This is baby Kitty. Say hi, Kitty, Kitty. Baby. And so in the end, between Uber and Lyft, I made around $240 with tips and with Lyft's incentives. I think I got like a bonus $25 for 4 consecutive rides. I did that in, I think I worked a total of 5.5 hours with both apps. I made more money if you divide the time and the amount of money made. I made more money with Uber because they had better incentives for the holiday. But again, I made like $240. I'll probably get some straggling tips here and there to add to it, but it won't be much. A couple of dollars, whatevs, right? And that's it. So it's not like this big $1,000 night. I mean, maybe if you're in New York City or something, but I doubt it. I mean, with all the drivers that there are now, and you know, people complaining about these crazy surges and stuff during the holidays. So they've toned it down and tamed it. And it's fine. I mean, it's like having an extra Saturday night for me. Cause I could make around 200 to something if I bust my chops there on a Saturday night. So it's pretty good. It's decent. I don't mind. I'm not complaining. I didn't stay out late. I'm sure there will be drivers who made more because they'll drive up until like 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. But I just don't want anybody to throw up in my car. Plus, it's not safe for me, I don't think, at that hour. And I'm good with what I got. And that's it. It was fun. I met a lot of great people, as I always do in my Uber and in my Lyft. And so if it's something that somebody is interested in doing, whether it's just for New Year's Eve or, you know, just for whatever, I don't know. I like to do it sometimes to just add money to my week. You know, it's like exactly what it is. It's a side hustle. Do I recommend you doing it for a living? No. Side hustle? Yes, definitely. I'm going to post up a couple of screenshots of what I made and whatever else I did there with the rides. And Happy New Year again, 2020. Hope this year is going to be really great for everyone. And if you're interested in driving rideshare, you know, do it. It's a great added income, and it's easy breezy. You do it on your own time. If you have a car that's, you know, you don't mind getting the wear and tear on, then it's all good. But be smart about it. And when I say be smart, I mean, you know, don't drive your car for hours on end waiting for one ride here and there. Try to figure out the times that, you know, where you can make the most money in the areas where your services are needed the most. And but I mean, I enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. And I hope my information was helpful to somebody. And see you on the road. And thanks for watching my video.